Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Till now we have discussed about gradient, discussed few problems. First we have discussed the formula, the trick of the gradient. First we have discussed the actual definition of the gradient. Then we have discussed this formula, this trick of the gradient. So we could solve the problems in this form very easily. Otherwise it will take forever. And we practiced couple of problems. We also saw a very important, very interesting problem in the previous class, this one. And now we are gonna discuss about physical meaning of gradient. Physical meaning of gradient. Consider a function. Let's consider. I'll explain it with the help of example. Consider a function. Consider a function x squared plus y squared plus z squared is equal to 1. Let this be function. What it is actually? It is the sphere of unit radius with center at origin. Let's try it first here. Let's define the axis here. This is of radius. Here the center is at 0, 0, 0 origin and it has the radius 1. Now let's find gradient of phi. What it becomes? It becomes I cap into del by del x of this function. If we differentiate, okay, first let's write this x square plus y square plus z square plus j cap into del by del x del by del y of x squared plus y squared plus z squared plus k cap del pi del z x squared plus y squared plus z squared. Simplifying it, we get del phi is equal to I cap into 2x plus j cap 2y plus k cap 2z. Now if we take a point on this surface, let's take 1 comma 1 comma 1, because remember it is a unit sphere with radius 1, so this lies on that sphere. When we substitute these values, we get 2 cap plus 2 cap plus 2 cap. If we look at this vector, what it actually means is, this is the vector what we are talking about. This is the vector. Remember its magnitude is it is like this, 2 into I cap plus j cap plus k cap. This is 2 into I cap plus j cap plus k cap. What it actually means is, if we zoom this part, remember this vector is protruding out of the plane of the screen, so it is in 3 dimension. You know what I mean, right? The vector components are I cap like this. If we define the axis, this is y axis, this is z axis, this is x axis. The components are 1 here, from 1 here, 1 here and 1 here. The vector is protruding out of the screen. I hope you visualize it. So what actually it means is, let's zoom this part. I'll explain it to you. This is the surface. This is the point 1 comma 1 comma 1, and the vector what we're talking about is this. It turns out that this vector is the normal vector to this surface. So in general we can write del phi is the normal vector to the surface phi. If we have any surface, any function, scalar function like this in 3D space, del phi is defined as, if we want to define a gradient of this surface phi at this point, then it will be the normal vector at this point. Okay, hope you got this. Let this point be x0, y0, z0. Del phi at this point is normal vector at the point P, which is x0, y0, z0. In case if you are wondering what is a normal vector, I'll explain it. Let this be any random surface. A normal vector is if you wish to draw a normal vector at this point, then just take the tangent at this point and draw perpendicular like this. So this is the normal, this is tangent. At this point, we are talking about a particular point here. Okay. People also interpret the physical meaning of gradient as the direction of the rate of change of the given function. Del phi means it is the direction in which the function is changing rapidly. Direction in which function is changing rapidly. Hope you get this. Now, if we want to get a unit normal to the surface, unit normal to the surface, it is given by n cap. It means the unit vector is equal to del phi is the actual vector divided by its absolute value. So let's tackle some problems. Find the unit normal vector to the surface z is equal to x squared plus y squared at the point -1 comma -2 comma 5. Just directly apply the formula. Let's define the function first. It is RHS is in the terms of x and y, and LHS is in z. So what we can do is let's write like this: function is equal to z minus x squared plus y squared is equal to 0. This is the function. Now del phi is equal to I cap into del by del x of this function plus j cap into del by del y of this function plus k cap del by del z phi. This implies this is equal to I cap minus 2x plus j cap minus 2y plus 1. Now if we simplify it, minus 2x I cap minus 2y j cap, sorry, there is a k cap here, plus k cap at the point P, that is -1 comma -2 comma 5. If we substitute the value, we will get -2 into -1 I cap minus 2 into -2 j cap plus k cap. This is 2 I cap plus 4 j cap plus k cap. If we want to take the absolute value of this, let's take the absolute value here. This becomes the square root of 2 square plus 4 squared plus 1 squared is equal to 4 plus 16 plus 1 is equal to root 21. So the unit normal vector is equal to, what is the formula? Del phi divided by mod of del phi. We can also take that at the point, at the specific point. This implies 2 I cap plus 4 j cap plus k cap divided by root 21. Let's take another problem. That is, it is a multiple choice question. For c greater than 0, if a I cap plus b j cap plus c k cap is the unit normal vector at 1 comma 1 comma root 2 to the cone z is equal to under root x squared plus y squared, then options are: option A square plus b square minus c squared is equal to 0. Option B, a square minus b squared plus c squared is equal to 0. C, minus a squared plus b squared plus c squared is equal to 0. Option D, a squared plus b squared plus c squared is equal to 0. I'd like to request you to first pause the video, then try it, and then check your answer. So what we get, the cone is given by z is equal to under root x squared plus y squared. Squaring on both sides, we get z square is equal to x square plus y squared. We can also write it as x squared plus y squared minus z square is equal to 0. This is the required function. If we take the gradient of this function, we get, I am writing it directly now, 2x I cap plus 2y j cap minus 2z k cap. At the point 1 comma 1 comma root 2 del phi at this point is 2i cap plus 2j cap minus 2 root 2 k cap. If we take the absolute value of this, we get under root 2 squared plus 2 squared plus 2 root 2 whole squared. What we get? 4 plus 4, 16 plus 4 into 2 is 8. So it becomes, okay, 16 plus 8 is 24, right? Root 24. So unit normal vector is given by 2i cap by 24. We can write it as 6 into root 6 into 4. It becomes 2 root 6. 2 root 6 plus 2j cap by 2 root 6 minus 2 root 2 divided by 2 root 6 k cap. This implies n cap is equal to, if we simplify this becomes 1 by root 6 I cap plus 1 by root 6 j cap minus 1 by root 3 k cap. What we are given in the question: if ai cap plus b j cap plus c k cap is the unit normal vector, I mean we got the unit normal vector here, then we have to check the options separately. So if we take the first option, we need to be smart here. Let's consider, not considering this is a, in fact this is b and this is c. If we consider the first option, what we get, this is a is 1 by root 60, 1 by root 6, b is 1 by root 6. 1 by root 6 squared plus 1 by root 6 squared is let's do it then. Option A, I'll write it here. A is equal to 1 by root 6, b is equal to 1 by root 6, c is equal to minus 1 by root 3. What is option A? A squared plus b squared minus c squared is equal to 0. A squared plus b squared minus c squared. What we get? 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 3. It becomes 2 by 6 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. So option A is correct. Since we are not in a exam hall, I'd like to learn first, so I'll check for all the options. A squared minus b squared, option B. A squared minus b squared plus c squared is equal to 0. B, a squared minus b squared plus c squared. What we get? 1 by 6 minus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. So option B is wrong. Let's check for option C. Minus a squared plus b squared plus c squared is equal to 0. Minus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3 is not equal to 0. Is not equal to 0. And option D is a squared plus b squared plus c squared is equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. So B, C, D are wrong and A is the right answer. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know your thoughts or any questions if you have in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Stay curious, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.